OpenFit 2, we set out to make open-ear headphones better than ever before. We engineered an extra-large low-frequency unit along with an advanced algorithm for deeper bass. Shokz DualBoost technology with composite driver units delivers a dynamic soundscape that's larger than life. Sound like this has the power to energize us, calm us, and even inspire us. Experience the pulse of a vibrant world with every beat during your workout. But OpenFit 2 goes beyond great sound, also focusing on comfort. Ultrasoft Silicone 2.0 ensures all-day wear, thanks to integrated nickel-titanium alloy. OpenFit 2 adapts to any ear shape for a secure fit. Featuring Shokz signature open-ear design, OpenFit 2 lets you maintain work efficiency while keeping you connected to the world around you. DirectPitch 2.0 technology ensures accurate audio delivery while minimizing external sound leakage. Enjoy fast and stable connectivity with Bluetooth 5.4. And connect to 2 devices simultaneously for seamless switching with multi-point pairing. You can also download the Shokz app to personalize your EQ modes. With an IP55 water resistance rating, worry less about accidental touches with the upgraded physical multifunction buttons. You're always ready to go. AI noise cancellation technology to effectively filter out background noise, ensuring your voice comes through loud and clear.
It's over later. See you soon.
All-day battery is a must. Enjoy up to 48 hours of battery life. And a quick 10-minute charge for 2 hours of listening time. With industry-leading audio and comfort, OpenFit 2 packs everything you need into one small package.